Hello? Hello? Test mic? Yan, may kasabay na tayo. Bitsa mo.
Okay, let's
Tignan mo,
go.
may mga berries, oh.
Bisan mo yun maglapag.
So, guys, naglalakad tayo ngayon dito. We're doing a trek, hiking, Heart Creek Trail. So, meron pong bear warning doon sa harapan.
Na-hike na namin to dati.
So, nakisabay lang kami dun sa dalawa kasi natatakot kami. Pero
It's
meron naman kaming bear spray. Yung isang nga lang expired.
it's for
So,
for us four.
kailangan natin
And wala
bilisan.
nang nag-hike. Kami nilang dalawa. May bear pa.
Tingnan mo yung dinadaanan natin. Baka may mga bear poop. Saka magingay ka.
Hindi ka magsigingay.
Mag?
Meron nga ako, ayun oh. Ayun yung highway oh. Highway.
That's the highway.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
Uy, wala tayong parking pass doon. Hindi kaya
Ayaw
makikita
nga.
tayo. Tara na. Ano? What?
Also, yun.
Naka-on ka?
Ah.
Hike pa more. We have bear spray. One is expired though. So, guys, masukal dito dapat. Aware tayo, baka mamaya nandito siya. Naglalakad. Dapat yung bell ni mama yung dala natin eh. Bear, bear. Hoy! Wag ka. Wag ka. Eh, may bata, oh. Dami nila.
Pabalik na sila.
Balik na
Kami,
sila. Tayo papunta pa lang.
papunta pa lang. Yan na sila, oh. Pabalik na sila.
Yung mga nagkakanyoneering, no? Paano
Ano ba
kayo
yun?
ginagawa
Ano?
nila?
Ay,
Siguro ito yung parang ano, yung dumadaostos na gano'n.
ah,
Hello.
hello.
Alam niyo sumasakay sa ano?
Nagano sila?
Hindi. Ayun po. Hi.
Hello.
Good,
We're
thank
good.
you. Tingnan mo, there's so many,
Berries.
berries, kaya remember? Naka 4K ka? Remember Tuntulay?
Oo. Yun na, may river. River ba yan?
Yes, that's the river. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yan, tatawid na po tayo sa may tulay na kahoy.
Yan naman to yung aesthetic. Video mo to, oh. Nakaano na tayo? 1/4.
1/4 pa lang.
Dito na may picture din tayo dito eh. Hindi ba dapat may tubig to?
Ha?
Dapat may tubig to, di ba?
Ba yata. Wala na nga yung tubig.
So, dito ba tayo dumaan dati? Parang sa taas, kasi may tubig to dati, hindi ba?
Saan tayo dumadaan natin?
Feeling ko sa taas eh.
Saan?
Dito.
Ito lang na kung daan.
Hindi ko na matandaan eh. It's so long time ago.
Ayun ah.
Ito na yung puro bato, yung dito ka nadapa.
Aray. Nag-wall climbing doon, oh, guys.
Pauwi na sila, papunta pa lang tayo.
Yun, oh. Yan sila, oh. Pating Perdan. Ayan, oh, inakit nila yung ano yan, bato.
Bato.
Sila. Yan. I think they're done.
I think we're halfway through.
Hopefully.
So guys, Our journey continues. Nalobat yung phone ni Joel, so yung phone ko na yung gamit. I don't know where we're going. But I think we are towards the end now. Dito ba tayo? Ay, si Joel sa likod. Dalawa lang kami dito. Wala pong iba, naglalakad kami lang. Kasi alas 5 na. Wala nang tao. Kami na lang. Kaya mabilisang hike. Mamadali kami kasi makapunta kami ng gabi dito. Mahirap na. So guys, we reached the end. This is the end. Doon kasi yung falls. That's the falls. We can see the falls. Andun yung falls, oh. Akit tayo doon, tingnan natin. Right now, si Joel po ay umakyat. He's trying to go up.
I personally think it's worth going there. It's cute. You can see the
How is it?
fall and the little blue.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'll do my best. So you go that way? Or you wanna go straight here?
It's easier if you climb here.
For here?
Climb here, yeah. And get as low as you can, right? And you're just holding on to every piece that you can.
Oh,
There you go. Yeah. There. Yeah. And then you're gonna climb.
Good job!
Yes. Oh, if you really want to, you can. I wouldn't.
I can't go there, that's too high. So guys, inakyat ko yun, oh, nandun. Grabe yung takot ko. But I conquer my fear. And now we have here. Ay, nakakalula. Nalulula ako. So, that is the one. That's the falls. Let's zoom out. I mean, zoom in. Zoom in more. Look at that. So guys, we're going back na. We're so hinga.
I like this one, ano?
Huh?
Ano dyan pala?
Which one?
Yung stick.
Andito. So guys, tumatakbo ako guys kasi naiwan na ako. Nagvi-video pa kasi ako sa nagpi-picture. Kaya kailangan ko tumakbo kasi wala akong kasama. Mag-isa lang ako. Ayan po si Joel. Naabutan ko na. There we go. So guys, we finished the trail. Una natakot pa kami dahil may bear, but we conquer our fear. Actually, this is our second time here. Yung first time kasi wala akong vlog dahil tawag nito, na corrupt yung mga micro SD ko or yung memory card ko kasi I'm using phone and I'm using GoPro that time. Ngayon puro cellphone na lang ginagamit ko. By the way, may papakita lang ako sa inyo saglit. Look at this. Ayan yung mga berries na kinakain ng bear. May bear warning kasi, kaya kanina parang natatakot kaming tumuloy. But we finished the trail, so it's good. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Easy Joms. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Be kind and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye.